Are you ready to test your English? Let's start the reading quiz. Good luck! Part 1. Read the passage carefully. Pause the video if you need more time. Part 2. Answer the questions about the passage. Good luck! Question 1. Why are polar bears classified as marine mammals? Question 2. What is the main reason polar bears are struggling to survive? Question 3. What allows polar bears to blend into their environment? Question 4. Which statement about polar bears is implied in the passage? Question 5. What does the passage suggest about polar bears' hunting habits? Question 6. What does the word primarily mean in the context of the passage? Question 7. Which word from the passage could replace decline? Question 8. What does the phrase "on thin ice" metaphorically mean based on the polar bear's situation? How'd you do? Share your score in the comments. Thanks for watching.